Boom.
Welcome back.
This is Vinay.
This is Derek.
Two bald guys. We're going to be making a brand new dish with our Bombay spice mix. What are we doing today, Derek?
We're making a salmon dish. We're going to use our spice mix as a rub on the salmon.
And we're going to garnish it with mashed potatoes and carrots. It's going to be fantastic. Stay tuned. Here we go.
Welcome back. We're just making a simple, easy meal with our spice mix, and we're going to put a rub on the salmon, and then we're going to just pair that with some carrots and mashed potatoes. Simple and easy.
Simple and easy.
Yes.
Let's get to it. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about our Bombay spice mix. We designed this to be extremely versatile, to be used with almost any dish, sweet or savory, vegetable or protein. And the idea is that it'll give some color, some flavor, and that hint of Indian flavoring to just about anything you do. So always use salt and pepper to your taste, and our spice mix goes great with ginger, garlic, sriracha, chili flakes, anything you want to do to kick it up a notch, add some heat, and turn it into something unique. Try it out.
That was cut number 25.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so we're just putting a rub on one side of the fish. It looks like we got the pan going. I have olive oil, or you can use avocado oil. Avocado oil doesn't burn as much in the pan. So all we're gonna do now, add in the salmon to the pan. As you can see, the color is changing at the bottom. It's turning white. Once it gets about halfway up the side of the salmon, then I'll flip them over. So that takes about 3 to 5 minutes on each side.
Yeah, look at the way the colors pop too when you add the spice mix to the top of it.
Yeah.
Makes it look even more appetizing.
Right. So it's been about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm gonna flip the salmon, and then you should have a nice crust on one side.
Oh yeah, now that's looking like something.
Yeah. It'll tell you when it's done. See the fat white stuff that's coming out of the sides of it? That's the fattiness, and that's telling you that the fish is done. Well, there you have it. We're gonna use our spice mix as a rub on the salmon. It's gonna be delicious.
Try it out. Check the links in the description on where to buy it directly. Also, if you send us your recipes and we use it on air, we will send you something special.
We are two bald guys.
Thanks very much. Have a great holiday. Bye.